Meaning this farmer every day of 100 chickens is going to be able to save 4,500. So now when you get the 45 times the 75 days, that gives us about 300 plus amount being saved in the life of chicken that you're going to sell up to 3.5 months.
Can I replace Azolla in the place of concentrates?
I would best say that we incorporate, because it's very hard to tell someone that replace meat with beans.
Okay.
You can say supplement beans with meat. Okay. So the best one here is incorporate beans and meat in your diet. Okay. And that's how it also comes to Azolla. That when you're doing poultry, when you're doing any livestock farming, for example, cattle farming, you're doing poultry farming, you're doing goat farming, the best option would be incorporating alternatives that you have. And this aspect today, we are of course talking about Azolla. True. When you look at Azolla, Azolla is rich in proteins, up to 30 to 35%. Azolla is rich in amino acids. It has also got crude fiber. Now, when you say that you want to replace this alternative that has got about 3 or 4 major nutrients with concentrate that has got more than 10, you're looking at proteins, you're looking at minerals, you're looking at vitamins, you're looking at the calcium you've added in, you're looking at the plant protein, the animal protein, and you're saying you only want to replace it with plant protein, I would not really agree with you. I would best say, let us learn how to incorporate. And that's why I'm here. How do I incorporate it? How do you incorporate? Now, when we are looking at Azolla, we look at the 30% rule. What's that? 30% rule. What is 30% rule? So if I'm at a farm, let's say of poultry farming, I'm into chicken farming, and let's say I have 100 birds. Now 100 birds feed on 10 kilograms every day when they are adults. Now 10 kilograms every day of total complete mixed feeds. When we talk of total complete mixed feeds, for example, someone who is using concentrate, this is where this person has mixed broken maize and maybe added in some maize bran, then comes and adds in the concentrate. So that's what we term as complete mixed feed. Another person who does not use concentrate mixes maize bran, puts in soya bean, brings mokene, brings some blood and adds in salt and so on. Now that is the complete mixed feeds. So if you're at your farm, your chickens are supposed to feed on 10 kilograms. Now here what we say the 30% rule is this. Get 7 kilograms of complete mixed feeds and put in 3 kilograms of Azolla. Why we do that? We look at quality. That you maintain your quality up to 70% of no disturbance. Let your chicken or your animals get at least up to 70% of complete mixed nutrients. If it deserves to get minerals, let it have it, at least picking it from the 70%, then you substitute with 30% of Azolla. But also maintaining the quantity at your farm that you were supposed initially to give them 10 kilograms. This time around you've said I want to supplement or incorporate. So what you do, give it the 7 and add in the 3 kilograms. You achieve the quantity, but also the quality is achieved. It has not been compromised. Hence, your farm is going to have good success and your gains are going to really indeed be skyrocketing and so good. So what I have understood from your submission is that I get the 30% and I add to this complete feed that I have. 100%. To make 100%. 30 plus 70 to make 100. Do I mix it, then I give them, or I can give them separately? Now, for example, actually with most of the livestock we rear, when we bring in these concentrate and so on, majorly, predominantly, and in the origin of our living, we didn't have these feeds. The chicken, the animals were used to the greeny plants. Now, when it comes to Azolla, chicken do not just eat the Azolla, but it fights for Azolla. I only promise you that if or whether you mix or not mix, Azolla will always be the first to be completed. Really? So it's up to you. If I feel like I want to mix, I can mix. So the best would be mixing. You pick the 70% we talked about, pick the 30% from the Azolla, mix in your feeds and give
The chicken.
However, I can also decide and say, if I'm supposed to give them 10 kilograms, I say in the morning I give them 3 kilograms of complete mixed feeds. Afternoon I give them as well as 3 kilograms. Then lunchtime, supper, I give them 4 kilograms to make the 10 kilograms. That's also another decision without mixing the feeds.
Okay, interesting. Now the other interesting question is, can I feed Azolla to exotic birds, especially the layers?
Now, in life of everything, especially with livestock, never introduce something too late.
Okay.
Introduce something at an early stage so that they get used to it. For example, let's look at layers. If you introduced a new different feed, when these layers have started to lay eggs, the percentage of the eggs you receive is going to reduce drastically. But if these layers grew up from the start and you incorporated in Azolla, they are going to grow up knowing this feed and it's not going to have any bad effect towards them. So the best thing is that start them as early as possible. And even if you're starting them at a later stage, do not bring the 30% immediately. You can start with the 5% first week, 10% second week, 15, 20, 25 up to 30% until when they are also incorporated within the Azolla mechanism of 30%. That's when you now maintain the 30%. So the feeding schedule, I believe a farmer there knows his or her feeding schedule. For example, if I'm a farmer there, I rear 200 birds, I already know how many kilograms they eat. If mine eat 15%, then I'm looking at only 30% of these birds. However, what I would really maybe want to enlighten to the people about how we say that you save the 30% on your farm. When we compare, let us look at a farmer who, I don't want to look at only chicken. I want to try and broaden up. I'm looking at your livestock feeding 10 kilograms every day. So how does a farmer, maybe we look at it as a farmer who is rearing 100 birds. How does this farmer save the 30%? This would be the big question, because this is the question that we keep on receiving daily. How? Now, how you save this is in this simple way. If daily you give 10 kilograms, that means, because we advise for local chicken, at least start on the 3rd week.
Okay.
Broiler, saso, layers and so on, at least on the 3rd week, because the first 3 weeks are very intensive weeks of the life of this chicken, and they deserve the starter feeds. So now, let us look at the local. The locals, at least minimally, you sell them at 3.5 months. So from the 1st month to 3.5, that is 2.5 months. That's 6 Saturdays times 2.5, that is 75 days. So when now you look at a farmer of 100 birds saving 3 kilograms in the cost of feeding, we translate the 3 kilograms in terms of money. When the prices rocket, you find a kilo we are buying it at 2,500 or 2,000. But me, I will take a bare minimum of 1,500. Meaning this farmer every day of 100 chickens is going to be able to save 4,500. Now for 10 days, this farmer is saving 45,000. You get my point?
Yeah.
So now when you get the 45 times the 75 days, 45 times 7, that gives us about 300 plus amount being saved in the life of chicken that you're going to sell up to 3.5 months. And that's how you save. And now remember, any cost saved at farm is a profit to you as a farmer.
That's true. The other thing I wanted to know, you mentioned that, okay, I can't completely, I can't replace Azolla with I can't replace
concentrate with Azolla,
right? So what if, like you mentioned, the reason it's because the nutrients in Azolla, they're not as many as the nutrients in the concentrate. How about if I know and I'm mixing my own feeds and I know the nutrients that make up a concentrate, is there a way I can use the nutrients in Azolla, in my mixing of feeds? Yeah,
I understand. Because of farmers, we've got the 2-way or maybe even the 3-way. The one I use concentrate, I don't want to struggle looking for this. But now this farmer who is supposed to look for other feeds, if you already have your mixing ratios defined already, where you need protein, especially plant protein, let's say you needed 10 kilograms, you would pick the 10 kilograms of Azolla and incorporate it. However, the best, you know, we're looking at us as farmers. How do we best learn from each other? If plant protein, you are supposed to put 10 kilograms. I would best say you can put this up to 60% and pick the other one 40%, another plant protein, so that you make 100% of plant protein. Yeah, so that's how I would best advise a farmer out there.
Brian, this is a plant, you know. It's like just picking the plant and giving the chickens. Is there another way I can process this Azolla into something, you know, pellets or mash? Is there any way?
Yes. Now, Azolla, at the moment, we feed it mostly when it is in its fleshy state. Major reason being, most farmers don't have the capacity to produce it in bulk. At the moment, farmers are not taking it so serious. But when we look at countries like Kenya, we've got even farmers who have acres of land and have put up ponds and they're selling Azolla as feeds. So what happens, after I pick my Azolla, I dry them. I don't dry them under direct sunlight, but in a cool, dry environment. Now after it dries, of course, if I want to do pellets, you have your ratio already. Put in the particular ratio you're supposed to put in for protein, plant protein, like we said, 60, 40 to make the 100% of proteins, and then you crush your feeds. That's how I would best say, and that is the best way out.
Interesting. So I am here, and I'm wondering if I want to start this venture after listening to you. Where do I get the seeds? Do I go to the river, or you are selling?
Well, thank you. Azolla predominantly is an aquatic plant.
It is, yeah.
Now, being an aquatic plant, it originates from the water bodies, the lakes, the rivers, the swamps, and so on, and so on. But now, am I going to come here and tell everyone, go into the swamp, go into Lake Victoria, and try to look for Azolla? Well, no. Now, we come up with a solution. Back in 2023, after learning about Azolla, we said, now what do we do? We have Azolla ponds in Buvuma district.
Okay.
Now, our farmers would call us and they want to come and learn about Azolla. And we didn't have anything here. They would just come and find seeds. Someone is like, have you just went in the swamp and picked seeds? They were not learning anything from us.
Okay.
But now we said, okay, now can we put demonstration ponds at our farm here? Now these demonstration ponds are the exact things we want the farmers to also do what? To set up. Now, what you're going to see in the ponds are the real seeds themselves. The freshness of it, we pick it, pack it, and send to you. So in Seta Mukono, along Jinja Highway, that is opposite Landmark Junior School. That's where Bakuku Azolla Farm is located. On Google Map, you look for us, we are there.
Okay.
We have the seeds. However, with us, we do not only sell seeds. We sell a service of Azolla farming. Because there's a difference between someone selling seeds, that you come at my shop, I give you the seeds. But this is Azolla farming service, where you will find, you get the seeds, you get the knowledge on how to plant the Azolla, you get the necessary materials you require to plant Azolla, you get the shade net and so on, but also the best advice here at our farm. So we have the seeds, we have the knowledge, we have the materials required, and we also have the necessary labor to move to farms and set up for other farmers.
Interesting. And without using so many words, just contact Brian on this number which is on the screen. And that's how you will start your journey and save some money on your farm. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.